Spear phishing, a sophisticated type of cyber attack, employs social engineering tactics such as meticulously crafted fraudulent emails to deceive government officials and corporate officers into disclosing sensitive information like elevated permission credentials. The goal of such attacks is to grant cybercriminals deep and persistent network access, providing a launching pad for broader malicious activities. According to a 2022 report by the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, phishing-related losses exceeded $2.7 billion, nearly 80 times the cost of ransomware attacks. To combat phishing attacks, the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, recommends employing technical countermeasures like secure email gateways, outbound web browsing protections, and hardened endpoints. Additionally, CISA advises implementing risk-based training and education, including periodically conducting simulated phishing attacks. These simulated attacks entail crafting realistic scenarios and emails resembling actual phishing attempts, and containing harmless links or attachments that record interactions. This approach allows agencies and organizations to assess their risk levels and provide targeted cybersecurity training to employees prone to risky behavior, such as clicking on suspicious links or attachments. This demonstration showcases how Blue Prism's code-free, intelligent automation platform can be used to craft an automated simulated phishing attack, in this case, attempting to collect a user's credentials from the Blue Prism portal. Such testing equips government agencies and enterprise organizations with the ability to automate essential cybersecurity processes, effectively mitigating risk, heightening employee awareness, and fortifying defensive cybersecurity protocols. The automation begins by launching the Social Engineering Toolkit, or SE Toolkit, an open-source application designed for social engineering penetration testing. The digital worker navigates SE Toolkit's terminal interface, selecting the options for social engineering attacks, then website attack vectors, and finally credential harvesting. The digital worker passes SE Toolkit the URL of a legitimate website, and SE Toolkit instantly creates a clone version of the website that is visually indistinguishable from the original. Next, the digital worker crafts spoofed emails containing the cloned URL and sends them to designated employees. Here, we see an example of the simulated phishing email, and an employee clicking on the malicious link. Note the sender's address, which has spoofed Blue Prism by swapping the M in Blue Prism for the letter N. The result is a very similar looking email address. The link launches the cloned version of the Blue Prism portal website, which is identical to the legitimate website, differing only in the host URL. The employee is unaware that this is not the real Blue Prism portal, and attempts to log on by entering the credentials as usual. It appears that nothing has happened after clicking the login button, but SE Toolkit has captured the username and password. This employee has failed to notice the phishing attempt, and will be referred for additional training on recognizing phishing attempts. This demonstration provides a simple example of how government agencies and commercial organizations can utilize Blue Prism's security automation framework to quickly deploy pre-built cybersecurity automations. This is just one example of the many customizable automations available as part of the framework. To learn more, visit the Blue Prism Digital Exchange at dx.blueprism.com and search for Security Automation Management Framework.